My trunk won't open. I tried the key, but that didn't help. And the remote release doesn't work either. Luckily for me, the back seat in the Cavalier folds down. I'm going in. Wish me luck. Now I'll use my screwdriver and see if I can release the latch. And just like magic, the trunk opens right up. Here's my new trunk latch cable. It was like 12 bucks at the parts store. Remove this one Phillips head screw. Unclip this cable and carefully pop off the old cable. Use a flat blade screwdriver to pop open the little cap so you can get the remote release cable out. Cut the clip off the new cable because I'm going to reuse the old factory clip. Use a screwdriver to pop open the cap so you can reinstall the remote release cable. Now remove this little clip from the old unit and install it on the new one. While we have this apart, take a look at this plastic post right here. That same post is broken off of the old unit. That's why it stopped working. I've already popped the new unit into place, so now I just need to install the screw that goes right there. Now I just install the new clip on the lock cylinder and tuck the new cable into the old clip. Now I'll close the trunk. The moment of truth. Let's see if it'll open. Success! Now let's try the remote release. It's a little sticky, but it opens right up.